Hello, my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you're doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in the world. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. This is your bonus love messages for Feb 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. Okay, let's start your bonus love messages for February 2021. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius 2021 for Feb 2021. Let's see what are the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver. Okay. Let me see all messages first. What are the messages? There is something which you need to release, Aquarius. There is something which you need to release, and this is a time for healing. Okay. Luck is on your side. Confidence is your key to success. Maybe adjustments are required for you, but you are good enough. Okay. Wow. Believe in the impossible. Bottom of the deck, I'm having believe in the impossible. So your commitment is being tested. Okay, and there is a time for healing. So the universe is testing your commitment, whatever commitment you have given to yourself, or that I'm not going to. For example, I will give you example. Like for example, you think that now I'm not going to think negatively. Okay, I will not blame myself. I will not be in that energy, and now divine will test you according to them. Okay, that whether you are going to fulfill that commitment which you made for themselves, for yourself, or not. So this is your commitment is being tested, and this is a time for healing. Many of you, you have to do your healing, and you are going to receive your healing. Then there is what you need to release. Okay, there is something in which you need to release, Aquarius. There is something in your life which you need to release. So release anything and let go anything which don't serve your highest good here. Then there is a confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. So keep your confidence with you, because confidence is a key to success. You are good enough, Aquarius. Full moon in Virgo. You are good enough. Okay, you are good enough. There is a win-win outcome as forecast. Full moon in Libra. So a win-win forecast outcome is forecast. There is adjustments are required, and emotions are running high. So right now your emotions are running too much high, Aquarius, and maybe there are adjustments which you need to make here. But don't worry, because luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. So luck is on your side. A new start is coming for you. Very beautiful. A new beginning, a new start is coming for you. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much. And the signs which you may be dealing with can be, okay, so they can be a Leo, Virgo, Libra, or Sagittarius. Okay, 0404 was the recording reading time. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with: Sagittarius, Libra, Virgo, and Leo. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with, but a new start is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, you need to do your healing. This is a time for healing yourself. So let's see what are the messages, and if anything you are still holding on, you need to release that. Okay, release anything on which you need to release. Basically, release anything on which you are holding on. Let go anything which you are holding on. So let's see what are the messages from the numerology deck. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Any other message? That's right, completion, because you're completing a cycle and you are starting a new cycle. A new start was there. Any other message? Okay. So yeah, parenting is here. So if you have kids in your home, Aquarius, if you are having kids around your home, you can, take care of your kids, spend some time with your kids. Please focus on more parenting here. Then there is love. So maybe the love is coming for you, and there is music here. So there is, you can listen to the music will help you out in healing. And the second message is that there is a message, maybe there is a message in the music, so you can listen to the music here. Music will help you out in healing. And there is love which is coming for you. Okay, there is completion which is happening around you. There is a karmic completion. There is a completion which is happening for you. In your main reading also, I was getting the world card. So there is a completion of cycle which is happening for you. There is health here. Okay, the health is here, so you have to take care of your health, Aquarius. Okay, please more focus on your health. Maybe you have to more focus on your health. For example, I can give my example. I broke my leg. So yeah, I have to take rest, but I can't stop doing your readings because you wait for me. So yeah, I'm doing it. So you need to take care of your health, Aquarius. Okay, we focus on your health. There is spirituality, there is creativity. Use your creativity. I always tell you that you are full of creativity, and there is spirituality which is here. That means you're becoming more spiritual than before. Use your creativity because you are having a lot of creativity inside of you. You are having a leadership quality here. Make more effort towards your leadership quality, more efforts in your life to, towards creativity for the change. And there is teaching and learning here. So maybe you are doing your teaching, and while you do teach, while you doing teaching, you will learn also. Okay, so teaching and learning is here. And there is change. Beautiful, the change is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, the 5 number change is coming for you. So these are the messages from the numerology deck. And the numbers which can be important for you are 3, 6 and 5. 3, 6 and 5 can be an important number for you. So listen to the music. Love is coming for you. Take care of your health. Use your creativity. So these are the messages which I got for you. Thank you so much, numerology deck, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the animal spirit oracle deck. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius? Give me the messages. What are the messages? One minute. So yeah, that card was fallen out. So let's see more messages from this deck. Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Too many. Any other message? Okay. See, again, snake spirit is here. Time to heal. So healing is required, Aquarius. Healing is required. This is a time for healing. That's a message which I'm getting here. There is warp spirit. Sometimes life stings. Okay, sometimes life stings. There is owl spirit. You see clearly now. As you know that you are becoming more intuitive than before, so now you can see clearly now. There is Coed spirit. Trust in divine detours. Does trust in divine plans. Everything is happening according to the divine plan. So you need to trust in divine plan, the divine detours. There is Chameleon spirit. Act as it. Okay, so act as it is the message from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the spell casting oracle deck. What are the messages which I need to deliver which I need to deliver the wow, Aquarius. Reconciliation and commitment is coming for you, Aquarius. In your main reading also, in your bonus reading also, I got that a stable commitment, a marriage proposal is coming for you. Many of you are going to reconcile with your divine partners. Okay, with your partners, I can say that reconciliation and the commitment is here. There is peace which is coming for you. You need to keep your trust. Okay, have trust in divine detours, as I got the message. Okay, just I got the message here. Trust in divine detours. Okay, trust in divine plans, trust in divine detours. Peace is coming for you. Reconciliation and the commitment is coming for you. Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? You are finding yourself, and that's beautiful. And because you're working on yourself and you're finding yourself, you're finding your freedom here. You're finding your freedom and the prosperity is coming towards you. Beautiful cards here. I love it. I love it. So trust, have trust, Aquarius, in the divine plans, because peace is coming for you. And you can let me know in the comment section whoever is getting the commitment and the reconciliation, both are here. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the Quantum Oracle deck. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. You are having a blessings, Aquarius, from the higher subtitle realms. Okay, so do not worry at all. Your door to spirit is open. See, happy success is coming for you. Let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Give me the messages. Any other message? See, again the healing light. The healing light is coming for you again. So yes, let's start. And sorry if you hear any voice in the background, as wow, so there is someone around you, Aquarius, who is wearing a false mask around you. There is deception. There is someone behind a mask here. Okay, maybe that person is in your family. Okay, here I'm having family here, but someone is wearing a false mask. There is a deception which is here, but don't worry at all. Be optimistic, and there is status quo and optimism. So keep going, whatever you are doing in your life, keep moving in a forward direction, because right now maybe you cannot see the results, but it is working for you, Aquarius. It is working for you. So keep moving in a forward direction. Okay, again the courage card is here. Do not get involved in this victim mentality. Okay, have courage, keep your courage, keep your strength out with you, and get out of this victim mentality as soon as possible. Okay, you can get out. And there is beautiful card here, commitment again. This is the card of commitment. Can you see the commitment and the commitment from my both decks? I'm getting commitment here. So yes, you are going to receive a commitment here, and here I'm having a loving man and the loving woman. This is the first time I'm getting this pair here. So this is a power couple here, the loving woman and the loving man, and I got the commitment here. So this is your divine counterpart. You both are made for each other. So I told you this is the message was trust in divine detours here. Okay, trust in divine plans, because here I'm having the loving man and the loving woman both, and the commitment which is happening for you. Okay, so this was the messages from this deck, and that's very beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Okay, thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Okay, help me out to deliver the messages. Okay, what are the messages which I need to deliver? See, again, bottom of the deck, I'm having possess self-confidence. Okay, so keep your confidence with you, Aquarius. Your beliefs are right for you. Okay, whatever beliefs you think about yourself, your beliefs are right for you. Okay, then there is kindness counts and follow the golden rule. Beautiful message here, and that is whatever you will give, you will receive that back in your life. Okay, follow that golden rule. Kindness counts here. Okay, so always do good to the other people, always help other people who require any help. Okay, spread love, because love is your energy. Okay, love is your energy. Express your feelings. Love is your energy, so just you need to focus that your love is your energy and express your feelings. Live your bliss. Take responsibilities for your actions. Here you need to take responsibilities for your action. Live your bliss and understand your body. Again, the message is here, understand your body. Maybe your body is trying to give you some kind of message. Understand that message. So thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add, see, turn your love light on. Okay, turn your love light on. what what are the messages from the universe? You need to see that you are love is the energy. Okay, just choose love over fear. Okay, so you need to turn on your love light here. Turn on your love light, Aquarius. Spread your love, spread your light. Let me see what are the messages from the universe which I need to deliver for my Aquarius. Any other message? While shuffling also I was getting this message. Any other message for Aquarius? You need not to worry at all. Okay, you need not to worry at all. There is a deeper reason for each of your questions. Okay, seek it. You need not to worry at all. So these are the messages. Let's start your reading. Don't be misled, be true to yourself, Aquarius. Okay, the universe wants to say to you that don't be misled, be true to yourself. Turn on your light, love light. It's not as if you need anyone. Okay, turn on your love light, and it's not as if you need anyone. Love is never in vain. If they once loved you, they still do. Okay, love is never in vain. If they once love you, they still do. Time to make a demonstration here. The older the soul, the shorter the glance, the quicker the smile, and the sooner to say I love you. They also skip and wink more than the normal and hold hands with those they walk besides. Utterly fearless, the universe. Trying to make a demonstration here. Give yourself much more credit. So these are the messages from the universe. Thank you, universe, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius, and sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, and if you want to tell me anything, you can let me know in the comment section. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.